the following equation: 2 to the power of x times 6 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 2x times 7 to the power of 1 minus x. But before we continue, again, thank you for watching these videos. I hope they are helping. Right away we are going to dive into the solution. Here we can take the log of the two sides. If we take the log of the two sides, we don't change. If we take the log of the two sides, we don't change the equality. So I'm going to take natural log of the first side is equal to natural log of the second side. So far so good. Okay. If we see this value here, we apply the rule of natural log of products is the sum of the logs. So we have here natural log of this one, 2 to the power of x, plus natural log of 6 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to natural log of 5 to the power of 2x plus natural log of 7 to the power of 1 minus x. Okay. Again, when we come here, another rule for the logs, we know that natural log of 2 to the power of x is equal to x times natural log of 2. So we apply the same for all of them. So we get x times natural log of 2 plus x minus 2 times natural log of 6 is equal to 2x times natural log of 5 plus 1 minus x times natural log of 7. Okay. Again, here we are going to group all the x's on the two and bring them to the first side. So we have x factoring natural log of 2 plus natural log of 6 minus natural log of 5 squared plus natural log of 7 comes here, becomes plus, is equal to 1 times natural log of 7 plus natural log of 6 squared, the minus 2 times natural log of 6 brought to the second side becomes natural log of 6 squared positive. Okay. Now we come here back and we know that the sum of the logs is equal to log of the product. So we apply the same thing and the negative sign makes division. So we have x times natural log of 2 times 6 times 7 all divided by 5 squared, which is 25, is equal to natural log of 7 times 6 squared is 36. Okay. Now if you isolate x here, x becomes equal to that quantity over this factor here. So x is equal to natural log of 7 times 36 over natural log of 84 over 25. If we multiply, we get x is equal to natural log of 252 over natural log of 84 over 25. That means simply that x is equal to log of base 84 over 25 of the quantity 252. Thank you for watching. I think that helps you in understanding logs and solving equations involving exponents, and see you next time. Thank you.